Hello friends, welcome back to my channel 5 Minutes Tech. This is Oppo A3S smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can do screen recording in Oppo A3S smartphone. First, go to the notification area and slide down twice and you will see an option called Start Screen Recording. Just click on that and your recording will be started within 3 seconds. Yes, see here the recording has been started and you can do whatever you want, and whatever you do in your mobile screen that will be recorded in a sequence. I just go to the different settings in my mobile. And finally, if you want to finish your recording, just click on this button and the recording will be saved and you can open it and play it. In this way, you can easily do screen recording in your Oppo A3 smartphone. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos. Until then, goodbye.